Okay, rice in the pot. And now, time for the eggs. Let's take out 1, 2. And then give them a little whisk. Whisky, whisky, whisk. Time to clean the rice. Doobie doobie doo. Rice is nice and clean. On the stove. Fire on. And now it's time for the vegetables. Garlic first, crush it, and then peel it, chop it. Now we're on to the chilli. And everything's done. A little bit of oil. Swirl it around and put in the onions and the garlic. Okay, time for the chili. Ooh, yummy chili, very smoky. Nice, and time for the egg. I made a mess, but that is okay. And now for the chicken. It's going a lot faster now. Time for the rice. Ooh, nice rice. Nice and fluffy, looks good. And then a little bit of soy sauce. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mix. Keep mixing. More mixing. That's it. You can keep mixing. Mixy, 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 mixy. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy. And on the plate. Ooh, nice and steamy. It looks great. Yum yum. Give it a little pat. What do I think? 1 mouthful. 2 mouthfuls. Perfect.